To create an invisible text effect in CapCut for PC, start by dragging your main video onto the timeline. Then go to the library, add a green screen layer, and place it on the track above your main video. Go to the Text tab and add your desired text onto the green screen layer, choosing any font and style you prefer with a bold font working best. Select both the text layer and the green screen layer on the timeline, right-click, and choose Create Compound Clip to combine them into a single clip. Click on the compound clip, go to the Video Remove BG tab, and find the Chroma key tool. Use the color picker to select the green color and adjust the settings until the green background is completely removed, leaving only your clean text visible. With the compound clip still selected, go to the Video tab and click on Basic. Find the Blend option and choose Overlay from the menu to blend the text seamlessly with your main video below. Fine-tune the effect by adjusting the opacity slider for a more subtle look if desired. Finally, drag the text to your preferred position on the screen and preview the result.